Technology is evolving and so do tools for music production. In this video I'll present to you AI music production tools that I have found being really useful. Also, this video is sponsored by Lalal.ai and their revolutionary 8-stem track separation algorithm. Number 1. Tonetransfer. This one is definitely my favorite one. It takes an audio signal and turns it into one of these real-life instruments. For example, you can hum the melody and then turn it into the violin that then you can use in your track. It is really useful if you want to imitate some of these instruments, but you just don't have access to a real-life or a virtual version of them. Humming a melody is a really quick way of getting your ideas out of your head, and the results coming from this tool are pretty decent.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing. Come on and choose this, choose this.
Number 2. Lalal.ai. You have probably heard about this tool already, and no wonder, cause it is the cleanest and the most detailed stem separator out there. Upload a track and it will divide it into stems with an astonishing accuracy. You can remove or extract vocals, drums, basses, guitars, pianos, and synthesizers.
My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you are made.
This tool is great if you're looking to get a clean a cappella for a remix or any other part of the song to use in your creative ways. The separation quality is stunning as it creates stems almost as if they were exported straight from the original project. Lalal.ai has recently released a new stem separation algorithm called Phoenix that hugely outperforms their previous Cassiopeia one while working within vocal and instrumental separation mode. I've tested many stem separation tools and Lalal.ai gives you the cleanest results so far. Click the link in the description and try this tool yourself. Now Lalal.ai has a free package of 10 minutes for you to try it out, and if you decide this tool is for you, you can upgrade to get more minutes, bigger upload size, more formats, and that sweet fast processing. Number 3. Uberduck AI. This tool allows you to type in lyrics and have them rapped or read by one of the models. The library consists of characters from movies, real-life rappers, politicians, and more. This tool isn't perfect, but with a bit of luck, you can nail some decent raps or read sentences. It is great if you're looking for some natural-sounding text-to-speech for your tracks.
Everybody should do in their lifetime sometime two things. One is to come sight of death, to observe skulls and skeletons, and to wonder what it will be like to go sleep and never wake up.
Or for some not that bad rapping.
Savage say goodbye, you throw savage mark for savage and chain. Savage say goodbye, you throw. Savage never say goodbye. You throw savage, mop a savage and change. Savage looks to you some way, summer. So I gotta cast it out without friends and headed to the prison. I ran into this dude, throw savage at my back until we came.
And if you can't come up with any sensible lyrics, you can try number 4. These lyrics don't exist. This is a website that lets you generate lyrics that have never been generated before, and unlike most of the pages like that, lyrics are actually pretty good. You just type a song topic, choose a genre, mood, hit generate, and boom, you got your own custom lyrics. These lyrics seem to be more complex than other ones, which is great. They're more poetic, and that makes them not that cliche and not that cringy. Number 5. Magenta AI. Magenta AI is the collection of little AI tools for musicians. All of them come from different creators and have been designed to enhance your creative potential. One of these tools is Piano Genie. Each time you press a key, an AI will suggest a note that will fit next. This is great because it doesn't require any piano playing skills. You can press keys randomly and the AI will adjust the results for you, giving you something unexpected but melodically correct each time. You can record your performance and then use another tool called Piano Scribe to transcribe the melody into MIDI sequence for you to have full control over it. So that's it for this video. I'm super excited to see what AI will bring to the table in the future and how much it will change the production game. If you guys know any other AI tools, let me know in the comments. I would love to try them out, and as I said, I'm really hyped when it comes to AI. Remember to check out Lalal.ai if you're looking for a good stem separator. Links are in the description. Have a great day and see you soon.